Meet Daniel, your trusted emergency handyman in Minneapolis-St. Paul. Looking for a reliable and experienced handyman in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area? Meet Daniel, a seasoned professional with 20 years of expertise in a wide range of repair and rebuilding services. Why choose Daniel? With Daniel, you're not just getting a handyman. You're getting a problem solver who takes pride in his work. He specializes in chimney repair, fence repair, wood floor installation and repair, roofing, and gate repair. No matter the issue, Daniel is your go-to guy to get the job done right, quality workmanship, and customer satisfaction. What sets Daniel apart is his unwavering commitment to quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. He treats your home or property as if it were his own, ensuring every project is completed to the highest standards. Your needs are his top priority, and he's dedicated to delivering excellence in every job. Emergency handyman services. Life can throw unexpected repair challenges your way, and that's where Daniel shines. When you're facing a home repair emergency, you can count on Daniel to respond promptly and provide the necessary solutions. He's your dependable emergency handyman, ready to tackle any issue. Get in touch with Daniel. Don't wait for home repair problems to escalate. Reach out to Daniel, your trusted emergency handyman in Minneapolis-St. Paul. He's just a phone call away and ready to assist you with chimney repairs, fence fixes, wood floor installations, roofing solutions, or gate repairs. Experience peace of mind. Experience the peace of mind that comes with having an expert handyman on your side. Whether it's routine maintenance or urgent repairs, Daniel has the skills, experience, and dedication to handle it all. Subscribe and share if you're in Minneapolis-St. Paul and appreciate top-notch handyman services. Hit that subscribe button and share this video with friends and family. Daniel, your trusted emergency handyman, is here to keep your home in tip-top shape.